Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzubillahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya ba'da amma ba'du. So in this occasion, me Gumaisah come back as an 11th DKV student now, and now we'll tell the complete biography of Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas rahimahullah, who is very instrumental in the spirit of Islam in Indonesia. And this is for the first English SKL in my 11th grade. Okay, without further ado, let's get to the story. But I'm sorry if so noise or so many distraction here because I'm in outside of IDN. Okay, let's start from brief profile and death of him. Thousands of Muslims in Indonesia are currently mourning because one of the great ulama is in this country is passed away. Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas passed away at the age of 61, and Ustadz Yazid passed away on July 11th of 2024 due to illness during the pilgrimage or Haji in Mecca. Then Ustadz Yazid was buried in the Bogor Regency area in West Java. The news about Ustadz Yazid's death also caused deep sorrow for his community. Also me, Salafi. In addition, other words of condolence also come from the ulama and preacher like Ustadz Khalid Basalamah or Ustadz Firanda, and there is two from Ustadz Somad. Ustadz Khalid Basalamah expressed his condolence through his ex account, and his brother too, brother of Ustadz Yazid, in Instagram post where he offered prayers for the late Ustadz Yazid. During his life, Ustadz Yazid had many written works and preached in various parts of Indonesia. Okay, for brief profile of Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas, a Salafi figure who died at the age of 61. Sheikh Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas was born in Karanganyar City, Kebumen of Central Java in 1963, and he's a writer, preacher, and coach of Radio Roja. Ustadz Yazid actively lectures to various regions, both online or offline. He also founded the Minhajus Sunnah Islamic Boarding School, which is located in the Peer District, Bogor Regency. Apart from being a preacher, Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas is also a writer. He wrote menulis many Islamic religious books written in Indonesian. Most of the books titles he wrote have topics on worship procedures, prayer collection, and views on Islamic Sharia. And for his education, he graduated from Imam Muhammad bin Saud Islamic University and the Institute of Islamic and Arabic Science. While at the Lembaga Ilmu Pengetahuan Islam dan Arab or LIPIA or the Institute of Islamic and Arabic Science, Ustadz Yazid was a student of Abdul Razak bin Abdul Muhsin Al-Abbad, who is a great scholar in Saudi Arabia. He studied with many great teachers while in Saudi Arabia. The following is a list of Ustadz Yazid teachers is like Al-Imam Al-Alama, Syekh Muhammad bin Shalih Al-Utsaimin, and Syekh Abdul Razak bin Abdul Muhsin Al-Abbad Hafizahullah. Ustadz Yazid studied at the Institute of Islamic and Arabic Science LIPIA. He then continued his education at Imam Muhammad Ibn Saud Islamic University through the guidance of Muhammad Ibn Al-Utsaimin and Abu Al-Razak Al-Badr. In addition, Abdul Razak is also a professor at the Islamic University of Madinah. Ustadz Yazid other teachers was Muhammad Ibnu Sholih At-Utsaimin, who was a great Sunni scholar in Makkah. The path of da'wah of Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas was traveled from years with many obstacles. Ustadz Yazid established the Minhajus Sunnah Islamic boarding school located in Bogor Regency to facilitate his da'wah. He is also a contributor from Radio Roja, an Indonesian Salafi media platform, to increase the spread of his da'wah online. This is so good. I like to watch him in the TV before. He's so good and so great in his kajian. He has also written Islamic religious books in Indonesian. This writing activity is carried out to spread da'wah talk writing. And I swear his book is so good also. Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas is known as a Salafi scholar whose name is well known in Bogor City. It's Minhajus Sunnah. He is also an Indonesian preacher who concentrates on conveying the teaching of the Sunnah. He always spends 2 until 4 hours a day reading books to study Islamic science. He also often studies with various scholars in Saudi Arabia to sharpen his knowledge, mashallah. And he's so diligent. The students study for 3 years in the hood. Then after graduating, they do 2 years of service. So the student from Minhajus Sunnah is study for 3 years in Pondok. Then after that, after graduating, they are do mengajar in the school. The service performed by students can be in the form of teaching at Minhajus Sunnah, or they can also preach in their area of origin, or teach at Salaf-based Islamic Education Institute. Like in the school of Isalaf, they can teach in there. Many students at Minhajus Sunnah also continue their studies at the Institute of Islamic and Arabic Science, or LIPIA, after graduation. In addition, some of them continue their studies at various Islamic University in Saudi Arabia. MashaAllah. Would you interest to study in Minhajus Sunnah? Maybe. Okay, for his book is he have so many books that he wrote, and I will tell for the famous one. The following is a list of books written by Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas. The first is Basic Principle of Islam according to the Quran and the Sahih As-Sunnah, and then Mulia with Manhaj Salaf, and Zikir in the morning and evening and after the obligatory prayers according to the Quran and authentic As-Sunnah by Pustaka Imam Syafi'i. I have this book and this is so good. This is so sahih. You will buy this. This is a famous of Zikir book. And then Syarah Aqidah As-Sunnah wal Al-Jamaah, and then the nature of ablution and prayer of the Prophet, Tata Cara Salat, published by Imam Syafi'i too in library in 2017. This is so good. I have this too. And for closing, well, maybe this all for the full biography of him. Hopefully this story can be useful and inspire us all, and we can more diligent to pray as for me too, and also for me, for a Salafi student, it's like so condolence for him, for Ustadz Yazid bin Abdul Qadir Jawas rahimahullah. And thank you, and sorry if I have wrong in my word. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.